Okay, now we're going to go through the online registration process. Starting at the Freedom High School website, you'll go to Parent Info and then Parent Portal. Here you will find the link to access your ARIES student portal. Once here, you will enter your email address and then your password. If you do not remember your password, it's okay. Click Forgot Password and then enter your LUHSD email. That is going to be your student ID number at LUHSD. This will send a verification email to your Outlook email address, which is accessible through Office 365. Your Office 365 login information is your LUHSD email and then your password. Your password, if you are a 10th or an 11th grader, will be your state student ID number. If you are a 9th grader or a student that started after the official start of the year, your password will be your birth date in the form of year, month, date. If you already know your email and password, you will enter it here, and that will take you to the Canvas homepage. Once at your Canvas dashboard, you'll click Classes and then Course Requests Entry. After you click Course Request Entry, this is the screen that you should see. Using the course request form that was mailed home in your registration packet, you will be choosing your classes for next year. If you do not receive a course request form in the mail, you can access a digital version by going to the school counseling webpage on the Freedom High School website. There you will find digital copies of the course request forms, the course catalog, and other resources that may be helpful throughout this process. Now, once you have your course request form in front of you, you'll start with the classes that are required for your grade level. Here we'll do an example for a sophomore going into their junior year. Every sophomore going into their junior year will type in English or the course number into the search bar. You'll then choose the English class for the level that you are going into. For this student, English 11. Then you'll click Request Primary. You will continue to do that with other required courses like U.S. History. As you can see, you have a choice between AP U.S. History or regular U.S. History. For this student, we're going to use regular. As you can see, it adds each of those classes into your list of course requests, and it automatically saves. We'll add a couple more classes just to complete our example. Okay, so as you can see, this student now has 8 class choices for next year. That's not where we want you to stop. We want you to also add 3 alternate class choices in case one of your electives is unavailable or does not have enough room for next year. The way that you add an alternate class is by searching the class like you would to add to your schedule. And then select Request Alternate. That will place it in this separate section under Alternate Course Requests. It is really important that you give us at least 3 options so that if one of the classes you chooses is unavailable, we can give you a class that you still might enjoy. You may also notice that now I am entering the numbers. You can find these numbers on the course request form right next to the name of the class. And there you have it, 8 classes with 3 alternates. If you have any issues completing this process, or if you have questions about what classes you are meant to take next year, reach out to your counselor and schedule a time where you can go over your transcript and any of the questions that you have. Counselors will also be available during our tutorial days all of this week. You can access the Zoom information and schedule on our school counseling website on our Freedom High School page.